cognitive abilities of Neanderthals are debated, but a fragment of crow bone found at the site of Zaskalnaya VI ZSK in Crimea has two notches that may have been made by Neanderthals intentionally to show a visually consistent pattern, according to a study by Majkic at the University of Bordeaux and colleagues, published in the open-access journal, PLoS ONE on March 29, 2017. Majkic and his colleagues performed a mixed-method study to evaluate whether the two additional notches in the crow bone ZSK were made by Neanderthals with the intention of making the final series of notches appear to be evenly spaced. First, the researchers carried out a multi-stage experiment that recruited volunteers were asked to create evenly spaced notches in domestic turkey bones, which are similar in size to the Raven Marrow ZSK. Morphometric analysis revealed that the equal spacing of the experimental notches was comparable to the separation of notches in the ZSK Raven bone, even when adjusted for errors in human perception. Archaeological samples that offer aligned notches of the different sites were also analyzed and compared with the ZSK Raven bone sample. The researchers concluded that the two additional notches in the crow bone ZSK may have been made by Neanderthals intentionally to create a visually coherent, and perhaps symbolic, pattern. A number of recent discoveries of altered bird bones through Neanderthal sites have led many researchers to argue that objects were used for personal adornments, unlike tools or butchering activities. But this study is the first to provide direct evidence to support a symbolic argument for intentional modifications in a bird's bone.